Trolltunga, Norway. Trolltunga, or Troll's Tongue, is a striking rock formation that juts horizontally out from the mountain over Ringedalsvatnet Lake in Norway. This famous cliff offers one of the most thrilling views in the country, as it hangs 2,300 feet above the water, seemingly suspended in mid-air. Reaching Trolltunga is no easy feat, but the adventure is well worth the effort. The trek to Trolltunga is an intense 10 to 12-hour hike, covering around 17 miles of rugged terrain. However, for those willing to brave the journey, the reward is one of the most exhilarating viewpoints in the world. Standing at the edge of the cliff, surrounded by vast mountains and deep fjords, you'll feel a sense of awe at the power and beauty of nature. The best time to visit Trolltunga is during the summer months when the trail is free of snow and the weather is more forgiving. However, those who visit in the fall can enjoy vibrant autumn colors and fewer crowds. Regardless of when you go, the view from Trolltunga is sure to be one of the most memorable sights of your life.